Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about the Puig New Generation Windscreen. Alright, this bad boy. Now, let's start off with the most obvious, and that is just how it looks. Now, from the side, this thing is okay. Looks decent. Looks pretty sporty. Alright, it has that nice black color that matches the bike. But when you look at it from the front, it is freaking tall. It looks like a freaking alien straight out of Ridley Scott's movies. But don't let its looks fool you. This thing is amazing in terms of functionality. Before I installed this, riding on the freeway, anything above 50 miles per hour, you'd get a ton of wind hitting your torso. For long distance riding, that's not the most comfortable. So I decided to look into a windscreen to fix that problem. And it worked, for the most part. Now, it doesn't completely get the wind off you, it just moves it from your chest straight into your head. It's a lot more comfortable than getting hit in the torso. Another thing that I like about it is the fact that it's so tall. It shields you, it blocks you from a lot of debris, a lot of bug splatter. One of the main reasons why I bought this thing was because I'm lazy. It's an easy install. All you gotta do is install these brackets and then install the windscreen itself. Whereas other windscreens on the market would require you to actually relocate your speedometer. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought this, because I was too lazy to relocate the speedometer. Now, the trade-off, obviously, is the looks. It's friggin' tall. But other than that, gets the job done. Again, from the side, it looks great. It looks pretty sleek. But from the front, it just looks like an alien, you know? Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw here today and you found it useful, please hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, peace out.